Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over our spring and summer apparel and accessories. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now in this video, we are going to be going over the yellow dot category. And at the time of uploading this video, today is September the 20th. And these items are currently sitting at 25% off. Now, we also have a clearance event coming up this weekend, and these items will be an additional 50% off. If you missed that video, I did upload that yesterday with tons of visuals, tons of pictures, so make sure that you go and check it out. I'll leave it linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, with the spring and summer apparel and accessories category, a lot of people will hear the word apparel and they will automatically think that they aren't going to be able to find anything, because a lot of Dollar Generals no longer carry the apparel items. So they have completely done away with the clothing section. A lot of DGs have remodeled, and whenever they remodel, they don't bring back the clothing section. But that doesn't mean that we still can't get out there and find some really good deals on the yellow dot accessories. And the good news is most Dollar General stores will have these in stock. So here's a look at some of the items that I have been finding at my local Dollar General stores. And I do want to extend an invitation to you all. If you find anything different, if you would like to send in a picture of some items that you found at your stores, or if you want to send in a picture of your yellow dot haul, I would love to see it, and I would love to share it with our Craz-E Couponing family. So if you want to do that, my email is crazycoupons1@gmail.com. You can also send it to me over on Instagram. It's at Craz-E Coupons. Or if you just want to give us a description down in the comment section, that works too. All information is helpful. Now, I also want to remind everybody that with our accessories categories, typically these are all over the store. You may find them up near the register. You may find them in the stationery aisle. You may find them in the seasonal aisle. So look high, look low, look everywhere you go. Make sure that you're checking on those end caps, even in the clearance section. You just never know until you get out there and start looking. So be on the lookout for these yellow dot items. We have a lot of really cute items in this category. Everything from pins to keychains. We have hats, wallets. We even have some really cute jewelry. So I am super excited about this category, and I cannot wait until they clearance down even lower. All right, now I'm going to turn on a little music. That way y'all can check out the rest of these items. Please watch the video all the way through. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. If you would like to speed up the video or slow it down, you can always click on the little gear or the three dots in the top right hand corner of your screen and click on playback speed. And then you can speed it up or slow it down to your liking. And while you're at it, don't forget to do all the things. Help your girl out. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, I'll talk to y'all here in just a couple minutes. Alright guys, so I'm back and we have almost made it to the end of our yellow dot visuals. Again, keep in mind that there are probably more out there that I do not have pictures of. So keep your eyes peeled for the yellow dot on the price tag. Now I do want to point out with this category, it does exclude the flip-flops, unfortunately. I don't know why Dollar General wants to hang on to those, but they have a ton of them. They are yellow dot, but they are excluded from this category. Now I also wanted to mention that with our spring and summer apparel and accessories category, Green Star apparel is also included. Now, this has been a hard category of items to track down, but thanks to a few amazing Craz-E couponers, they sent me in some amazing pictures with the UPC codes. So here is what you want to be on the lookout for this category. So what you want to be on the lookout for are the Bobby Brooks brand clothing with a green star on the price tag. Now these will range in sizes from kids to adults, men's and women's, boys and girls. We do have some pajama sets. We also have some t-shirts, and we have some jogger pants as well as yoga pants. And as you all can see, there are some different packaging that you want to be on the lookout for. Now, if you all find any more Green Star apparel items that you would love to send in, don't forget my email and Instagram and all that information is always linked for you in the description of every video. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and I hope you found it helpful. Now make sure that y'all stay tuned because I will have more deals coming at you all very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a smile down in the comment section below, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day and I will see you on the next one.